Rajya Sabha today, not the parliamentary party because this is a Rajya Sabha issue today. We welcome you to this press conference. We will first address our friends in the media and then we'll take questions. Let me introduce you today. On my right is Dola Sen. Ms. Dola Sen is the two-time member of parliament and also the All India head of the trade union of the Trinamool Congress. I think perhaps the only lady in the whole country who holds such a position, Dola Sen. And on my left is Ms. Shanta Chhetri. In a traditional Gurkha tribal, she came to parliament outside like this also. So welcome both of them. And as you know, these two ladies were among the 12 who were suspended during the monsoon for their alleged misbehavior in the monsoon session. So let me begin by saying what happened today. Today the Trinamool Congress got about 1 minute to speak in parliament, and we made the video clip is available there, but I'll still repeat that. We want the house to run. We want 0 hour to run. We want the government to be accountable. We want question hour to run. We want discussion on bills. We also wanted this in the monsoon session. But in the monsoon session, as you all know by now, Pegasus, the government did not allow a discussion. And you all know what happened in September 2020 on the farm laws. So this government does not want parliament to run. Same stunt they are trying in the winter session of parliament. The Prime Minister, 1 day before, in the morning before parliament started, made hollow words, empty promises. Usual. What did he say? We can discuss everything. So the Trinamool Congress believes that the 12 opposition MPs should not have been suspended because they were provoked, because every rule was broken. And we said it on the floor of the House, I'm saying it again today. The 12 MPs should not have been suspended. The 90 BJP MPs should have been suspended. Why? Because they insisted on bulldozing bills, because they insisted on not having discussions on national security, because they insisted on their motto, either my way or highway. That is what we said, and then we walked out of the House. As you would have seen, many other opposition parties shared this view, they would have also walked out. That's number one. Number two on this suspension. Tomorrow, starting from tomorrow, 10 a.m., that's 1 hour before parliament starts, till 6 p.m. every day, Monday through Friday, our two MPs, Dola Sen, Shanta Chhetri, and we've also, all other opposition parties have been informally, from what I'm hearing, there will be other opposition MPs who will be sitting daily outside Mahatma Gandhi statue, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday through Friday. I can confirm for Trinamool Congress that Dola Sen and Shanta Chhetri, who have been completely wrongly suspended, will be sitting there till 23rd of December. Sure. And there will be other well-wishers, other MPs, we are going to invite them also to come and show their solidarity with our MPs. The government is trying to spread some misinformation, and the government is trying to show that it is the opposition which is disrupting parliament. They tried the stunt in monsoon session. Let me share with you, friends in the media, certain facts. Some of these facts I've shared before, but sometimes the same facts have to be shared again. 14th and 15th Lok Sabha, 60 to 70 bills were scrutinized by parliamentary committees. 60-70%. Modi won, that figure dropped to 25% of bills were scrutinized, sent to parliamentary committees. That figure in this Modi 2 government is down to 10%. In other words, only 1 out of 10 bills are scrutinized. Who is to blame for the opposition? Who is to blame for the disruption? The government. Rule 267, that is a rule where you can discuss an important issue and take that issue up in the morning out of turn. The last time Rule 267 was applied in Rajya Sabha was 5 years ago in November 2016. For 5 years there's been no Rule 267. Opposition have not got a chance to speak. Third one, ordinances. The ordinances, it's a terrible track record. Now 4 out of every 10 bills passed are ordinances. This is about the Rajya Sabha. Tomorrow, my colleague Professor Saugata Roy, in the company again with Dola Sen and Shanta Chetri, will address a press conference tomorrow at 1 p.m. And day after tomorrow, we shall have another press conference. Another colleague will address that. Like this we will do. So this is the situation. In Rajya Sabha, 12 bills were passed, 13 minutes discussion. Lok Sabha, 15 bills were passed, 8-minute discussion. This is the situation we are in. And my friends, the final point here today is, since there was a lot of talk here, that opposition will boycott parliament, this thing. No. This is what BJP want. This is what Modi and Shah want in their Gujarat model. We will not boycott parliament. We will be in parliament and fight. Because, why? The government is accountable to parliament. The government is accountable to parliament. Parliament is accountable to the people. So when you as a government do not want to be accountable to the people, then you disrupt parliament. This is what this government is doing. Government is accountable to parliament. Parliament is accountable to the people. They don't want parliament to run. If there are any questions, I will take those questions later. But my colleague will just address you few minutes in Hindi. And no, come to that area, please.
पहले हम ये बोलना चाहेंगे ऑल इंडिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस की तरफ से हमारे राज्यसभा की पार्टी लीडर डेरेक ओब्रायन आपको बोले हैं इंग्लिश पे, हम कोशिश करते हैं हिंदी पे बोलने का। पहले हम ये बोलेंगे कि हमारा मोटो ये है पार्लियामेंट चलाने का, और एवरी बिजनेस वो उधर ऑफिशियली कंटिन्यू रहे, वो हम चाहते हैं। हमारे तरफ से पार्लियामेंट बॉयकॉट करने का, पार्लियामेंट ना चलाने का, कोई डिसरप्शन करने का कोई मुद्दा हमारे मन में नहीं है, दिमाग में नहीं है, हमारे ये सोच नहीं है। लेकिन हम ये ज़रूर बोलेंगे कि ट्रेजरी ने हमको इंसिस्ट किया ये प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए। पिछले सेशन में भी जो हुआ था, उसके पहले वाला सेशन में भी जो हुआ था, ये ट्रेजरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है जो ऑपोजिशन को कॉम्पेल करते हैं प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए। तो ट्रेजरी की तरफ से वो प्रोवोक करते हैं और ट्रेजरी की तरफ से वो अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वे से बहुत मनमानी कर रहे हैं। इसीलिए ऑपोजिशन को फार्मर्स के लिए, पीपल्स के लिए, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बचाने के लिए, देश को बचाने के लिए मुंह खोलना ही पड़ता है, क्योंकि पार्लियामेंट ऑपोजिशन को पीपल्स वॉइस उठाने का जगह है। इसीलिए हमको लगता कि ट्रेजरी की तरफ से जो 90 एमपीज है बीजेपी की, उनको सस्पेंड किया जाना चाहिए। और अगर माफ़ी मांगने का भी बात उठता तो उनको माफ़ी मांगने का है, क्योंकि वो अन्याय किया, हम लोगों ने तो नहीं किया। उसके बाद हम ये बोलेंगे कि कल मॉर्निंग से फ्रॉम टुमारो मॉर्निंग गांधी मूर्ति जो है हमारे वहाँ पार्लियामेंट के अंदर, उधर हम बैठेंगे। जैसे सितंबर 2020 में किसान बिल के खिलाफ जब हम लड़ रहे थे, जब उन्होंने हमको बाहर कर दी, डेरेक ओब्रायन और हमको सस्पेंड किया गया और टोटली 8 MP को सस्पेंड किया गया, तब भी हम पूरे रात बिताए संसद में गांधी मूर्ति के नीचे। कल सुबह से 10 से 6 तक हम जो 12 MP सस्पेंड हुए सब उधर धरना में रहेंगे। हम दो तो रहेंगे ही, हम और शांता दीदी। और ये आपको जानकारी में देना था। और हम ये फिर बोलेंगे एडिशन में, थोड़ा 2-3 स्टैटिस्टिक्स आपको सुनाएंगे जो आपने ऑलरेडी डायरेक्ट से सुने हैं। पिछले 10 साल के पहले अगर आप देखेंगे कि स्क्रूटिनी में बिल्स 60 से 70% तक जाते थे। मोदी 1 गवर्नमेंट में 14 से 19 तक वो 25% तक जाते थे, रिड्यूस होके 70% से रिड्यूस होके। और अभी मोदी 2 गवर्नमेंट में जो और भी मनमानी में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, उधर वो 10% में रिड्यूस किए हैं अपने आप को। स्क्रूटिनी में जाने का बिल है 10% ओनली। तो ये अपोजिशन के लिए, डेमोक्रेसी के लिए, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के लिए, पार्लियामेंट के लिए अच्छा नहीं है। और है 267 नोटिस अगर आप कंसीडर करेंगे तो लास्ट 5 इयर्स में एक भी 267 नोटिस उन्होंने कंसीडर नहीं किया। ये भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और पार्लियामेंट के लिए, डेमोक्रेसी के लिए अच्छा नहीं है। और ऑर्डिनेंसेस नाउ ओवरलैपिंग द पार्लियामेंट होते हुए भी वो ऑर्डिनेंस के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं। वो ऑर्डिनेंस फ्रेंडली गवर्नमेंट लगता है हम लोगों को। और अगर कंसीडर करें बिल्स, कैसे वो बिल्स को एडप्ट करते और लॉ बनाते, अगर RS में देखेंगे राज्यसभा में तो 12 बिल्स ईच एंड एवरी 13 मिनट्स पे डिस्कशन के बाद लॉ बन गया। और अगर LS में देखेंगे 10 बिल्स, लास्ट 10 बिल्स 15 मिनट्स डिस्कशन पर वो लॉ बन गया। तो ये भी डेमोक्रेसी के लिए बहुत नाराजगी की बात है, डेमोक्रेसी के लिए अच्छा नहीं है। और फिर हम ये बात बोलेंगे कि हम चाहते हैं, हम मानते हैं कि पार्लियामेंट इज ऑपोजिशन का वॉइस उठाने का जगह है, पीपल्स वॉइस उठाने का जगह है। और गवर्नमेंट इज अकाउंटेबल पार्लियामेंट पर और पार्लियामेंट इज अकाउंटेबल पीपल पर। इसीलिए हम पार्लियामेंट बॉयकॉट करना कल से शुरू हुआ, पूरा 4 वीक्स बाकी है, तो हम बॉयकॉट नहीं करना चाहते हैं। हम कोशिश करेंगे जो साथियों पार्लियामेंट के अंदर रहेंगे और अभी तक है, फिर सस्पेंशन ना हो जाए तब तक हम कोशिश करेंगे जो है अंदर वो पार्लियामेंट का मुद्दा उठाए और पीपल्स वॉइस जोर शोर से अंदर उठाने की कोशिश करे। और वर्कर्स के लिए, फार्मर्स के लिए, पीपल के लिए और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के लिए और देश के लिए उनका बात उठाए एज ऑपोजिशन, चाहे लाख बार वो सस्पेंशन हमको करते।
Thank you, Dola. Thank you, Shanta. Any questions? We will take a few. We will take a few questions. Yes.
One limited question. So, is the TMC with the rest of the opposition, or the TMC is willingly keeping their distance from the rest of them?
The opposition, from what we've seen in the last 2 days, is totally united in Parliament when it comes to issues. Issues. What are these issues? That there has to be the strengthening of parliamentary democracy. That you cannot suspend members just because you feel like suspending members. That you cannot muzzle the voice of the opposition. That you cannot pass repeal bills. I can show you 17, 18 instances of repeal bills where at least the discussion was held for 10 minutes and 15 minutes. These are not ordinary repeal bills. On the issue of disinvestment, there is common issue, because the issue of disinvestment, when you are disinvesting public sector companies which are profit making, that is dangerous. All opposition is together on this. Worse still, when you're doing this disinvestment, what about the SC/ST, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe reservations? Once you're privatizing these companies, what is happening to the SC/STs? Opposition is on the same page. When we want a detailed discussion on unemployment, We want a detailed discussion on national security Pegasus. We want a detailed discussion on the way ahead for COVID. We want a detailed discussion on border security force and how you are trampling on federal structure, different interpretations of federalism. The issues are common. The focus, some of our friends in the media, is who's going for one opposition meeting, who's not going for an opposition. There is absolutely no problem. The issues are common. The problem is we have to stop the fascist BJP government from trying to run Delhi and Parliament like they ran Gujarat model. That is the issue. 1 minute, let me just finish this answer. Different political parties will have a different approach to the strategy, will have a different tactic to the strategy. Let me give you an example. There's nothing to feel shy about. There was a broad discussion, broad agreement this morning that at least for one day, because we don't want to leave those opposition benches empty, because God knows what other law these people will bring. Shamelessly bring. Let me finish. I'll answer all your questions. So, what was the broad discussion? Today, there was a broad understanding that the opposition members will not be inside the house for most period. So, one party spoke first. They're the largest party. They got the chance to speak. They left. After 5 minutes, I was given a chance to speak. Trinamool was given a chance to speak. We gave our reasons. We had one demand. Make all the 95 MPs suspend them. So I would appeal to my friends in the media, and I would appeal to the young people in this country. The issues are common for opposition. The larger issues are our institutions are being spoilt. Farmers, 700 farmers. What happened there? What is this? Where is the Prime Minister? That day, leader of the opposition asked at the all-party meeting. BJP is calculating. Ek second. Let me finish, then I'll answer now. Okay? So, this is the issue. We are fighting for democracy. We are fighting for the sanctity of parliament. CBI ED. What is this? You bring an ordinance on the 20th just to get somebody, Modi and Shah's favorite puppet. ED, CBI, 2 years plus 1 year plus 1 year plus 1 year ordinance. We've moved a statutory resolution. So let me assure you, till the 23rd of December, the common issues are there. Unless some other issue comes up, these are the common issues for all opposition parties. And yes, I want to say this on record. The All India Trinamool Congress is the All India Trinamool Congress. We are running a government in Bengal with 220 MLAs. We did not have an electoral alliance with any party. We do not have an alliance government with any party. So please, anybody can have an approach, and anybody who has this approach of any party, then you say become the B team of the BJP. No, the BJP has to go. Right, your question.
Sir, have the other opposition political parties principally agreed for this 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. protest? Other opposition political parties.
Have the other opposition parties agreed? You see, let me make it very clear. All this chat, okay, is happening at an informal level. Okay, we have discussed it, and my understanding is tomorrow, unless some opposition party is not here. For example, I'm told the Shiv Sena 2 MPs are in Bombay. They are only coming in day after tomorrow. So Anil Desai and Priyanka Chaturvedi, I think, are in Bombay. But I think there must be a broad, sense that tomorrow there will be these. What Trinamool is doing, we are saying we are going to do this till the 23rd. It's not one, please understand, this is not some one-upmanship, you did it first, I did it first. No. The issues are common. The approach is common. The tactics may be different. It's like nothing wrong. If somebody walks out and then 4 minutes later somebody else walks out, okay? Right. Ek second.
If you are saying issues are common and all these things,
yes.
What makes Trinamool not sign the joint statement which was signed by all the other parties?
That's a very good question you asked me. Why didn't Trinamool sign the joint statement yesterday? Correct? Yes. Let me tell you the truth. At 2:30 or at 3 p.m., the at 2:30 or 3 p.m., I can't remember the exact time, our chief whip in Rajya Sabha, along with Rajya Sabha MPs, when did you all do your press conference?
3.
We did the press conference at 3 p.m. Okay? Truth. 3 p.m. was the press conference. Yesterday, I was at the working committee meeting. Okay? Does it make it necessary for me to repeat my point? There may be some other parties who are in alliance with a party. There may be some other parties who are running a government with another party. We are not. We just fought the election in May as alone. Does that answer your question? So we are not duty bound. We want the opposition unity. But we are not duty bound to be anybody's rubber stamp. But we want opposition unity. আমরা পরিষ্কার আপনাদের বলি, যদি আমার বাংলায় বলতে কোনো ভুল ত্রুটি হয় আমি ক্ষমা চাই, বয়কট হবে না। বিজেপির এখানে পার্লামেন্ট সেশন যদি আমরা বয়কট করি, এটা ওরা চায়। ওরা কি যে বিল পাস করে নেবে, কি বিল পাস করে নেবে বলা যাবে না। তাই আমরা কোনো মতেই, আর আমাদের ক্লিয়ার সিস্টেম আছে, আমরা বয়কট করতে চাই না। আমরা পার্লামেন্টে লড়বো ইউজিং অল দ্য ট্যাকটিক্স। ঠিক আছে? আর আমরা ভুল করিনি, আমি এটা বাংলায় বলি, আমরা তো ভুল করিনি। আমাদের 12 জন সাংসদ, 12 জন, আমাদের 2 জন আর বাকি যারা সিপিএম, সিপিআই, কংগ্রেস এবং শিবসেনা সাংসদ, ওরা কোনো ভুল করেনি মনসুন সেশনে। ভুলটা করেছে বিজেপি, কারণ ওরা ডিসকাশন অ্যালাউ করেনি পেগাসাসের ওপর। তারপরে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট থাপ্পড় মেরেছে, বলেছে তোমরা কি করেছো। ফার্ম বিলসে আমরা কি করেছি, ফার্ম বিলসের ফুটেজ দেখুন। আমি যাচ্ছি ওখানে, আমি ওটা বইটা ছেড়িনি, আমাদের সব সাংসদরা ছিল, আমরা বলছি আমরা এই সিলেক্ট কমিটিতে এই বিলটা পাঠান, না পাঠালো না। আমরা বাইরে গিয়ে তারপরে আমাদের সাসপেন্ড করেছে। এখন কি করছে ওরা? তো ভুল করেছে বিজেপি, 95টা সাংসদ, ওদের আগে সাসপেন্ড করা উচিত। আমারটা
ইনফরমাল নোট সার্কুলেট করছে, আপনি যেটা বলছেন যে সিলেক্ট কমিটিতে পাঠানো হচ্ছে না, তা নয়। ওদের বক্তব্য 93 পর্যন্ত কোনো স্ট্যান্ডিং কমিটি ছিল না। তাহলে গত 41 বছর কি কোনো ডেমোক্রেসি ছিল না?
আমি ওপেন চ্যালেঞ্জ দিচ্ছি মিস্টার মোদি, মিস্টার অমিত শাহকে, ওপেন চ্যালেঞ্জ, ওনারা চ্যানেল ঠিক করুক। শুধু আমার হিন্দিটা খারাপ, ইংলিশ হিন্দি বাংলা মিলিয়ে। Let them fix the channel. We will send 2 of our MPs, one from Lok Sabha, one from Rajya Sabha. Okay? We will send from Trinamool, one from Lok Sabha, one from Rajya Sabha. Come and debate with us the sanctity of Parliament and how you have murdered Parliament. If Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah now, that itself may be a problem. Because even during Bengal election, Parliament was going on, Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah were in Bengal. If you don't come to class, how can you be the first boy in the class? They don't come to Parliament. They don't come to Parliament. And I think we challenge the BJP. Come and discuss. We'll give 1 MP from Lok Sabha, 1 MP from Rajya Sabha, your location, your time. Okay? Chalo, your language also. Even Hindi, it will be fine. I will fail. But we'll have, many of our MPs are much better than communicating than I am. And come and debate the sanctity of Parliament. What notes and all, come and debate. I said these same figures at the all-party meeting. Nobody from BJP. All of you were here in the media. Remember, 8 ministers called a press conference soon after the last session, 8 ministers. I challenged those 8, Trinamool challenged those 8 ministers to answer those 8 questions. Again, Kalke Shogotodake will ask him to do the same thing. All yes men, they don't understand. And I give this offer again, that if there's a tutorial, we're fine. With all humility, we will offer the BJP ministers some tutorial where we will tell them the precedents.
দাদা একটা প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে পশ্চিমবঙ্গ রিলেটেড, অনেকগুলো সেন্ট্রাল ফান্ড, তার থেকে টাকা ফেরত নিয়ে নিচ্ছে সেন্ট্রাল। যে সেন্ট্রাল ফান্ডের টাকা দেওয়া ছিল আগের থেকে ফেরত নিয়ে নিচ্ছে, এটা কি চিন্তাজনক?
আরও চিন্তাজনক, এটা নিশ্চয়ই চিন্তাজনক। আর আরেকটা সবচেয়ে ভয়ানক ব্যাপার, যেভাবে সেন্টার আর স্টেট স্কিমগুলো আলাদা আলাদা শতাংশতে পয়সা দেওয়া হতো, প্রায় আমি ঠিক বলতে পারছি না 61টা না 55 থেকে 65-র মধ্যে ওই ফান্ডের স্যাংশনড অ্যামাউন্ট যেটা 60-40 সেটা 40-60 হয়ে গেছে, সেটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে। তো যে পয়সা স্টেটকে দিতে হতো আর যে শতাংশ সেন্টারকে দিতে হতো সেটাও হচ্ছে না।
1090 হয়েছে।
Any other questions? I'm answering in the language it has been asked, right?
Will the Trinamool MP suspended MP's right to the chairman about the fault in the procedure of suspension?
We are not writing to the chairman. We are not going to say sorry. It is there for the people of India to see. Please, I appeal to all the young people of India to see the video footage of the 20th of September 2020. Please see the opposition MPs. Just openly see all the footage. Please see all the notices all the parties gave, not only Trinamool. CPM gave, CPI gave, many Congress gave, so many parties gave, DMK gave, AAP gave on this issue of Pegasus. People have to see. Once you see, they will know. My last request today, before, is there no more questions?
One question.
Yes, sir.
আজকে কংগ্রেসের ধর্নার সময় তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের অনেকেই উপস্থিত ছিল। এই বিষয়ে আপনার
শোনো একটা ধারণা চলছে পার্লামেন্টে, 12টা সাংসদ, এটা তো সাংসদ, দুটো তিনটে, এটা কংগ্রেসের ধর্ণা ছিল না। আপনি ভুল বুঝেছেন, এটা সব অপোজিশনের ধর্ণা ছিল, অপোজিশন পার্টির ধর্ণা ছিল। আমাকে ডিএমকে থেকে একজন জিজ্ঞেস করেছে, সিপিএম এর থেকে কেরা আপনারা যাচ্ছে, কে ছিল ওখানে, 2জন গেল 3জন গেল, এমনি আপনারা, এরা এই কে ছিল কে না ছিল একটা বড় প্রশ্ন। এখানে সংবিধানের শেষ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, পার্লামেন্ট বলে কিছু নেই। আমি ক্লাস 6, ক্লাস 7, ক্লাস 8 যারা বাচ্চারা এখন স্কুলে সিভিক্স পড়ছে তাদের আমরা কি বলবো 20 বছর পর? সেন্ট্রাল হল নেই, আপনারা জানেন। এই নতুন যে সেন্ট্রাল ভিস্টা প্রজেক্ট হচ্ছে, প্লিজ, I heard, and I want the journalists to confirm, but I don't know. I heard that there is no central hall in Parliament in the new Central Vista project. I hope I'm wrong. And at the end, what I want to say is that this will continue till the 23rd. We will fight on the floor of Parliament. We will continue to fight on the floor of Parliament, outside Parliament in Gandhi statue. And my appeal is, and it's only an appeal, a request, and I'm repeating it, the tactics of how different opposition parties approach the final goal, that's an approach. The bigger picture is what this BJP government is doing to the Constitution of India. Namaskar, thank you.